Hemp, often referred to as the superplant, has gained attention for its potential environmental benefits and diverse applications. Here are several ways in which hemp could contribute to environmental conservation and potentially help address some of the planet's challenges. Let's get started. Carbon sequestration. Hemp is known for its rapid growth and high carbon sequestration capabilities. As a fast-growing plant, hemp absorbs large amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere during its growth cycle. This can help mitigate the effects of climate change by reducing the overall concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Soil remediation. Hemp has deep roots that can help prevent soil erosion and improve soil structure. Additionally, hemp has been used in phytoremediation, a process where plants are cultivated to remove contaminants from the soil. Hemp has been shown to absorb heavy metals and other pollutants from the soil, making it a potentially valuable tool for cleaning up polluted areas. Reduced need for pesticides and herbicides. Hemp is naturally resistant to pests and diseases, reducing the need for chemical pesticides and herbicides. This can contribute to a more sustainable and environmentally friendly agricultural system, protecting ecosystems and reducing the impact of harmful chemicals on the environment. Biodegradable products. Hemp fibers can be used to produce a variety of biodegradable products, including textiles, paper, and packaging materials. Unlike conventional materials like plastic, hemp-based products break down naturally, reducing the environmental impact of waste. Alternative to deforestation. Hemp can be used as an alternative source for paper production, potentially reducing the need for cutting down forests. Hemp grows much faster than trees and can be harvested multiple times in a year, making it a more sustainable option for paper and wood products. Biofuel production. Hemp seeds can be processed to produce hemp oil, which can be used as a biofuel. Biofuels derived from hemp are considered a renewable energy source that could potentially replace fossil fuels, reducing greenhouse gas emissions and dependence on non-renewable resources. Nutrient-rich food source. Hemp seeds are highly nutritious, containing essential fatty acids, proteins, and other vital nutrients. Incorporating hemp into diets can provide a sustainable and nutritious food source, potentially addressing food security issues. Diverse industrial applications. Hemp can be used in the production of various eco-friendly products, including building materials, plastics, and even biocomposites. These alternatives have the potential to replace traditional materials that contribute to pollution and environmental degradation. It's important to note that while hemp shows promise in many areas, the widespread adoption of hemp-based solutions would require overcoming various challenges, including legal barriers, societal acceptance, and further research to optimize cultivation practices. Additionally, the effectiveness of hemp in addressing global environmental issues depends on its integration into broader sustainability efforts and the development of supportive policies. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Hit the bell so you never miss out on our new videos. Place your comment below to let us know what topics you are interested in knowing.